today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to get monetized and how to stay monetized. So with all the recent changes in social media, as far as the TikTok ban, people not wanting to revert back to Instagram, but YouTube being the OG, the original, everybody's flocking back to YouTube and everybody's like, where is the money?
Put the money in the bag!
Like the video, comment down below, and also share it with a friend and subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. So we're going to be talking about 4 easy steps that you're going to take in order to get monetized and stay monetized here on YouTube. So step 1, that's meeting YouTube's basic requirements. How do I even get monetized? Like, what's the requirements for entering the program? So in order to qualify to get into the YouTube Partner Program, you must have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time within the past 12 months. Also, you need to be following YouTube's community guidelines. It definitely sounds like a lot, but with the right strategies and techniques, it's easy to hit 1,000 subscribers. But the more harder part is actually hitting your watch time, which is something when I was trying back in the day to get monetized was a little hard until I had that viral video blow up. And then also now trying to get remonetized is the hard part. It's actually the watch time. Also, with these requirements, I know like there's either a way you can get 4,000 hours of watch time or 3 million shorts or something like that, but we're not focusing on shorts. We're talking about long form content. So you want to be engaging with your audience. You want to make content that's engageable. You want to be responding to comments. You want to be asking questions in your videos. You want to be fostering that environment so that people will want to engage in the comment section. And of course, you want to build a community. Building a community is super important, especially here on YouTube. Here on YouTube, it's all about community. Also, we want to be creating long form content. As I just said, shorts are really good to drive traffic to your page, but also once the traffic get to your page, we want something that will revert into a higher watch time. So the second step we're going to talk about in getting monetized is creating content that is monetizable. Now let's talk about content. So YouTube is going to push out videos that are reasonable and within their community guidelines. You have to be careful about what you post on YouTube. YouTube is very strict. They don't play about the community guidelines and they don't play about their copyright. Take it from me. I literally had a video, my video is sitting at like almost 900,000 views, and that video was like 7-8 minutes long. I got 5 to 6 minutes of that video taken out. So that's money that I missed out on. So like half of those views came from a 3-minute video. And imagine if I wouldn't have had that copyright claim on that video, I could have made way more money. But it is what it is. I learned that day. You need to make sure your content fits within YouTube monetization rules, and you don't want to get demonetized. That is the worst thing ever. It's not a good feeling. You don't want to get demonetized for something stupid. You keep it clean, keep it classy, keep it demure, and you'll be good to go. Some niches perform better than other niches, like family content, educational content. I know the tech industry, oh my gosh, everybody loves tech. That niche performs really well. Back to what I was saying about engaging content. You want to make engaging videos. The more people watch your videos, the more YouTube is going to push it out, and the more money, the more your RPM is going to go up. You need to be creating engaging content. That comes with like in your editing. You want to make sure like you're including things in your editing. When you're editing, you're not just like talking in monotone the whole time through. Like you have pitch, you're showing personality within your video. Because if you're not showing personality, YouTube is a place where you can be yourself. Everything doesn't have to be perfect and in tip-top shape. Like of course it's more like uniform than other set apps, but you can be yourself here on this camera. You don't have to like sit here and be this perfect. Like it's okay, like leave a few edits in your videos if you just like saying a word wrong. Oh my god, I said 1,500 of them. A funny meme or something, I don't know. Now that you have all that, you should be seeing the fruits of your labor. You should be seeing your channel grow little by little. Some people see it take off. You should be seeing your channel grow. Once you hit those 1,000 subscribers and those 4,000 hours of watch time, you're monetized. And there's a whole process for getting monetized. If you guys want to know about that process, I will make a whole separate video about that. Once you get in, you have to stay in. It's not that you're in and you're in forever. Exhibit A. You have to meet requirements every year to stay. Making sure you're getting your watch time every single year. Like, you have to make sure you're hitting that in order to stay monetized. Make sure you're always using your own original content and not repurposing content from other people. Also, you're using licensed music, which is a big issue, and it can be a little tricky. Like, you may like this song, but like, you can't, 9 times out of 10 it's copyrighted. You need to find copyright free music. YouTube has a lot. YouTube has a studio, a music library that you can choose from. Copyright is just a big issue, and like, it can literally like make or break you. It can get you kicked out. It can make you lose money. Step 4, maintaining monetization and building a sustainable channel. Now that you have met all your requirements, you've done everything you need to stay in. Consistency is key. You must keep uploading. Upload regularly. The more content you have is the more chance for you to be discovered, the more chance for money, the more chance for more views, a bigger community, have a better shot. So keep posting. That's what happened to me. I had stopped posting and YouTube kept threatening to take me out, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna upload, and I never did, and then I was out of there. Speaking of which, I think they still owe me $100. Consistency is key. You have to keep going. Even if you don't see, even if it's 10 cents, you have to keep going, keep posting, because you never know. One video may take your channel from 0 to 100. Like, all it takes is one viral video. I'm telling you, hear me and hear me clear. It only takes one, and then your channel is popping and you're making money. I was literally making like around $3,000 every single month on YouTube before I got demonetized. Well, not before I got demonetized, but I was making $3,000 in the beginning when I was posting regularly. And then when I stopped posting, I was just seeing the residuals from all of that money. And then it started teetering off the longer I went without posting. So you have to keep posting, or the fire is gonna burn. And then once it burns out, you're a goner. Also, diversify your income. Don't just rely on ad revenue. Like, make yourself acceptable to brand partnerships. Make your channel appeasing to brands. I won't say like fake or like mask who you are, but definitely be your channel needs to be appropriate and approachable for brands to want to work with you, because that's more money and you're able to charge more. Of course, you'll make way more money with brand partnerships than you do through Google AdSense. Also, affiliate marketing. If you like have a stand store, Beacons, Gumroad, whatever, if you have digital products, you can promote them. Business. That's how I was making money through my business as well as YouTube, because I was promoting my business through YouTube, and of course I was making revenue. People were seeing me make these products. They wanted to try them out. They were purchasing through my links. That's how you make money. That's how you diversify your income. And that's the key right there. Like, having your social media pop off so good that your business starts to flourish because of it. Like, the opportunities are endless. Okay, so keep posting that content, diversify your income. YouTube rules change so often, so you want to make sure you're staying up to date on everything that is changing in the world of social media, especially on YouTube. So to sum it all up, you want to make sure you're meeting YouTube requirements by growing your audience and making engaging content, making sure your content is monetizable within YouTube, and staying up to date on policies and community guidelines along with YouTube changing. If you're serious about growing on YouTube in 2025, these strategies will help you out so much. I use these own strategies within my channel, and I'm going to be re-implementing them now, trying to get back into the YouTube partner program. That is all for this video. I hope you guys learned something from today. Like the video, subscribe, and click the notification bell to be notified of every single time that I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, don't forget to check out the links in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.